Good
today.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Yes,
morning,
ma'am.
everyone. Good morning. Vidhi, you can start your presentation. Before starting the presentation, I would like to tell you all that physical classes have been started from today. Okay, and in physical classes, it won't be possible for us to, shift the classes to 8:45 and 9:45. I'm sure you guys must be very happy that your classes are at 9:45. Okay, but today the guidelines will come on how to take the classes. I don't think first year people are called to college, but third year one students have been called to college. So your classes will continue online, okay, but I'll take it from college itself. So whatever will be the decision of the principal and TIC today, I will communicate it to you, and we can schedule the classes accordingly in college tomorrow, right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
ma'am.
Vidhi, you may start. There is,
Ma'am,
I'm
one
in
second,
Haryana,
guys.
so there
My
is
laptop
little.
login.
Please listen to me. I'm in Haryana, so there is little low internet connectivity. So,
Okay, ma'am.
be comfortable for presentation to the rest of the class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You may start.
Ma'am, is my screen visible?
No, I can't see your screen.
Wait a second. Ma'am, I'm not able to share my screen.
Why?
I don't know. बस एक second रुकना. Ma'am, is it visible now?
हाँ दिख रही है।
ठीक है.
Yes, I can see the screen now.
Good morning. So my topic is promotion. Promotion refers to the entire set of activities which communicate the product, brand, or service to the user. The idea is to make people aware, attract, and induce to buy the product in preference over others. Promotion has following specific purposes. It communicates marketing information to consumer, users, and resellers. Second, it persuades, convinces the buyer and influences his behavior to take the desired action. Third, promotional efforts act as a powerful tool of competition, providing the cutting edge of its entire marketing program. Importance of promotion. First, to provide information. The first aim of promotion is to provide the prospective customers about the availability, features, and uses of products so that they need not to search out for them. Second, to stimulate demand. Promotional activities are undertaken to create awareness and interest of consumers in new products. Third, to differentiate the product. A businessman carries on promotional activities in order to differentiate his products from competitive products. Fourth, to highlight the utility of the product. Promotional activities add value to a product by emphasizing on its special features. Fifth, to build an image. Promotional activities are often used to build a favorable image of the organization. Market communication process. Marketing communication refers to the strategy used by a company or individual to reach their target market through various types of communication. Marketing communication includes advertising, direct marketing, branding, packaging, sales presentations, trade show appearances, etc. Concept of marketing communication. Marketing communication mix is the promotion of the marketing piece and covers every method and medium of communicating with your target audience. If business consists of creating value and creating customers, marketing communications covers exactly how you are going to create customer by taking your value message to the market. Elements in communication process. First, sender. Sender is a person who conveys the message. Sender may be an individual or a group or an organization. Second, message. Message is the key idea that the sender wants to communicate. It may be ensured that the main objective of the message is clear. Third, medium. Medium is a means used to exchange or transmit the message. This choice of appropriate medium of communication is essential for making the message effective and correctly interpreted by the receiver. Fourth, receiver. A receiver is a person for whom the message is aimed. The degree to which the decoder understands the message is dependent upon various factors such as knowledge or receiver, their responsiveness to the message, etc. Fifth, feedback. Communication is a two-way process and remains incomplete without feedback. The receiver's response to the message is called feedback. Promotion mix. The promotion mix refers to the blend of several promotional tools used by the business to create, maintain, and increase the demand for goods and services. There are five elements of promotion mix: advertising, personal selling, sales promotion, public relation, and direct marketing. Advertising. The advertising is any non-personal presentation and promotion of goods and services by the identified sponsor in the exchange of a fee. Through advertising, the marketer tries to build a pull strategy wherein the customer is instigated to try the product at least once. The complete information, along with the attractive graphics of the product or service, can be shown to the customer that grab their attention and influences the purchase decision. Pros and cons of advertising. Pros: increase in sales. The main objective of manufacturer in advertising his products is to promote the sale of his product. Goods produced on a mass scale are marketed by the methods of mass persuasion through advertising. Second, it ensures quick sales. Every retailer having the stock of different producers needs a quick turnover. By bringing the wide range of these products to the notice of the consumers, advertising boosts up the sales. Cons of advertising: it creates consumer unfulfillment, it encourages monopolistic control, and misleads the consumers. Personal selling. This is one of the traditional forms of promotional tool wherein the salesman interacts with the customer directly by visiting them. It is face to face interaction between the company representative and the customer with the objective to influence the customer to purchase the product or services. Pros of personal selling. It is a two-way communication. Unlike other promotional methods, personal selling is a two-way form of communication, which enables a salesperson to adjust the message as he she gains feedback from the customer. Second, effective in building personal relationships. The interactive nature of personal selling makes it the most effective promotional method for building relationships with customer, which is particularly important when purchase take a considerable amount of time to complete. Cons of personal selling. Training costs. The cost of training a sales team can be quite high and include such expenses such as travel, hotel, meals, and training equipment. And while salespeople are in training, an organization is most likely also be paying certain fixed costs, including the trainee salary, healthcare, and other expenses. Negative perception of salespeople. Possibly the biggest disadvantage of personal selling is the degree to which this promotional method is misunderstood, as many view salespeople as being overly aggressive or even downright annoying, and also interested in making quick sales. Public relations. The marketers try to build a favorable image in the market by creating relation with the general public. The companies carry out several public relations campaign with the objective to have a support of all the people associated with it, either directly or indirectly. The public comprises of the customer, employees, suppliers, distributors, shareholders, government, and the society as a whole. The publicity is one of the form of public relation that the company may use with the intention to bring newsworthy information to the public. Pros of public relation. Influence. Audiences are more likely to trust messages coming from an objective source rather than paid for advertising messages. It is one of the most credible forms of promotion and can be persuasive. Cost effectiveness. PR can be an economical way to reach a large audience in comparison to paid for advertising media. Placement, particularly if it is done in house. Cons of public relation, no direct control. Unlike advertising, you can't exactly control how your business is portrayed by the media. When your message will appear and where it will be placed. No guaranteed result. You may spend time and money on writing a press release, getting suitable photography, and speaking with journalists, but you can never guarantee your story will be published. This can result in the poor return on investment. Sales promotion. The sales promotion is the short term incentives given to the customer to have an increased sale for a given period. Generally, the sale promotion schemes are floated in the market at the time of festivals or the end of season. Discounts, coupons, payback offers, freebies, etc. are some of the sales promotion schemes. With the sales promotion, the company focuses on the increased short term profits by attracting both the existing and the new customers. Pros of sales promotion. It stimulates in customer an attitude towards the product. It gives direct inducement to the consumer to take immediate action. It is flexible, it can be used at any stage of a new product introduction. Cons of sales promotion. There is a feeling in the minds of the customers that sale promotion activity tools are used to sell inadequate or second grade products. It is expensive and leads to a rise in the price of product. They are non recurring in their use. Direct marketing. With the intent of technology, companies reach customers directly without any intermediaries or any paid medium. The emails, text, messages, fax, and are some of the tools of direct marketing. The companies can send emails and messages to the customers if they need to be informed about the new offerings or the sales promotion. Example, the Shopper Stop send SMS to its member informing about the season end sales and extra benefits to the golden card holders. Pros of direct marketing. Direct marketing offers the opportunity to answer questions. Affordable tactics like email marketing or left letting can be very cost effective. Most direct marketing will be more effective for SMEs than mass media advertising campaigns. Informative, you can deliver detailed information on your product, services, and prices, unlike other forms of advertising. Cons of direct marketing: intrusive. Many people find direct marketing annoying and intrusive. Some people dislike marketing mail and consider it to be a junk mail. If consumers find your marketing tactics annoying, it can create a negative brand association and make them less likely to buy. This is more likely with less targeted campaigns. Low response rates. Direct marketing responses rates tend to be around 1 to 3%. When you reach a consumer who isn't interested in your products or services, it wastes money and they are likely to find it irritating. Use more targeted lists as opposed to sending out mass messages to minimize it. Factors affecting promotion mix. Type of product. Type of product plays an important role in deciding on promotion mix. Product can be categorized in terms of branded, non-branded, necessity, luxury, new product, etc. All these types of product mean different promotional tools. Use of product. Product may be industrial product, consumable, necessity, or maybe luxury that affects selection of promotion tools in media. Stage of product life cycle. Product passes through four stages of its life cycle. Each stage poses different threats and opportunities. Each stage needs separate marketing strategy. Each of the promotional tool has got different degree of suitability with stages of product life cycle. So in the end, we can conclude that the importance of sale promotion in modern marketing has increased mainly on account of its ability in promising sales and preparing the ground for future expansion. The main objective of sales promotion is to attract the prospective buyer towards the product and induce him to buy the product at the point of purchase. At the salesman level, its objective is to achieve more sales. At the dealer's level, the purpose is to sell a particular product of a manufacturer. At the consumer level, the main idea is to enable the consumer to buy more of a product more frequently and also to introduce new uses for the product. Thus, it is a catch all method and is used as an effective tool of marketing. Thank you.
Vidhi, that was a very quick presentation. I wasn't expecting that you will end so soon. Okay, but if anything anyone would like to ask Vidhi or anything anyone would like to say. But it was a very short presentation. This presentation cannot be considered for your internal assessment.
Okay, ma'am.
It should be at least 20 minutes presentation.
Okay, ma'am.
Anything? Anyone?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
हाँ
some of the students were having some uh, queries regarding presentation.
हाँ बोलो.
मैम प्रेजेंटेशन भी एंड मैम सब्जेक्ट्स की भी कि मैम हिंदी में मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट को मतलब नहीं पढ़ाया जाएगा या फिर उसके लिए कोई असाइनमेंट, तो ऐसा भी मैम पूछ रहे थे बच्चे।
बच्चे देखो मेरे पास किसी का मैसेज भी आया था. आपको जो भी लैंग्वेज एग्जाम में प्रेफरेबल है आप उस लैंग्वेज में लिख सकते हो एग्जाम में भी. तो सिमिलरली क्लास में भी जो लैंग्वेज आपको प्रेफरेबल है आप उसमें असाइनमेंट सबमिट कर सकते हो. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. ओके, प्रेजेंटेशन भी अगर आपको हिंदी में देनी है तो हिंदी जेनरिक हिंदी यूज करेंगे आप तो उसमें आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन एक्सेप्टेबल की जाएगी.
यस मैम.
और
एंड
कुछ?
मैम मैम वो टॉपिक्स का भी पीपीटी की
देखो बच्चे जो
टॉपिक
टॉपिक
थी.
है वो है प्रमोशन. प्रमोशन में भी आई विल फर्दर क्लासिफाई कि ये टॉपिक है प्रेजेंटेशन के, ठीक है। तो वो मैं आज शाम तक आपको भेज दूंगी लिस्ट रिगार्डिंग दैट, ठीक है।
यस
कल हम
मैम।
प्राइसिंग पूरा कर लेंगे तो वेडनेसडे से वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द प्रेजेंटेशंस, ठीक है।
यस
कि
मैम।
एक प्राइसिंग कंप्लीट हो जाएगा तो हमारा प्रमोशन और प्लेस ही रह जाएगा, जो कि हम प्रेजेंटेशंस के साथ साथ कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज इट्स February मार्च में आप लोगों की प्रेजेंटेशंस मेरे को नहीं लगता होंगी। आपके पेपर कब से वाइंड अप हो रहा है आपका सेशन?
मैम एग्जाम्स तो मैम 15 से स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे। हाँ
5th मार्च लास्ट डेट है ना, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम सेइंग। तो हम February के अंदर वी विल कंप्लीट आवर सिलेबस आल्सो एंड वी विल डू प्रेजेंटेशंस।
यस मैम। मैम उसी के लिए मैंने एक शीट प्रिपेयर कर दी थी, उसका लिंक भी शेयर कर दिया था कि मतलब सब लोग अपनी डेट मतलब फेवरेबल डेट्स डाले, लेकिन उसमें भी मतलब वो सक्सेसफुल नहीं रही। सब लोग मतलब एक दूसरे का वो होता है ना, इधर
हम्म,
उधर करना। तो आप रैंडमली कोई भी नेम डाल दो पार्टिसिपेंट्स में से, तो वही ठीक रहेगा, क्योंकि मैम
वही
ऐसे हो
ठीक
नहीं
रहेगा
पाएगा।
क्योंकि इनका अपना मन मर्जी का तो नहीं ही चल सकता, ठीक है। तो आई
यस।
विल रैंडमली गिव प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर द वेडनेसडे। आप छोटा सा टॉपिक देती हो बट 15 मिनट्स की प्रेजेंटेशन तो होनी ही होनी चाहिए। 10 मिनट की प्रेजेंटेशन विल नॉट अकाउंट फॉर योर इंटरनल असेसमेंट। उसके बाद मैं भी एक्सप्लेन करूंगी आपके प्रेजेंटेशन के हिसाब से, जो भी आपने टॉपिक कवर किया है तो हम वो सिलेबस में भी कवर कर लेंगे। So today I will send the topic and the presentation